Richmond County in central North Carolina, southwestern Oak County in central North Carolina, until 2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:48 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Rockingham to near Hamlet, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rockingham, Hamlet, Hoffman, Pine Bluff, Foxfire, Dalvin Heights, Wagram, Gibson, Laurel Hill, and Sand Hills Game Land. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Richmond, North Carolina,